This tutorial will show you how to use this open source map to create basic features which you can then save for personal use or for sharing data with others. For the sake of this exercise, click on the search bar in the top right corner of the map frame and type in Vancouver. Feel free to double-click the map or use the zoom toggles to adjust the screen. The icons on the right allow you to make a line, a polygon, a rectangle, or a marker. Pan to the location you'd like to use. Select a feature on the right. Click on the map and drag the cursor to create your feature. Once my feature is complete, I can select it to add relevant data. Notice that the box also allows you to change certain features like the color. Once I've typed in my information, I can hit save. If I choose a marker, I can also change the symbol. Once I'm complete, I can then export my data by traveling to Save and choosing GeoJSON. You may notice some of my information appeared on the right side of the screen. This is the information that you just exported. We can't wait to see what you make.